Hi everybody, it's me, your talk show host. Thank you. Today we have a special person joining. His name is Mr. Great Dane. Come on out here, Mr. Great Dane. Thank you everybody, I love you. So tell me, Mr. Great Dane, how do you feel of the loss of your wife?
Oh, it's kind of sad. Yeah. I miss her and stuff. I cry all the time when I think about her.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Mr. Great Dane, I was wondering, how old are you?
Well, I'm exactly 23.
Nice. Now, audience, what do you think of Mr. Great Dane's lovely coat tonight?
Awesome!
You got great audience. Thank you. So, what else was I asking you? I was asking, how do you feel when your teammates let you down and you lose? It doesn't matter about losing. It's a matter about the charity, the love I give. Well, that concludes our action. Good night.